Welcome. In this video, I am going to share a function called count. So there are basically four functions under count that is count, count a, count if, and count ifs. So let's start with the first one, that is count. So count function, the count function actually counts the number of cells in a range that contains number. This function only counts numbers. It doesn't count any alphabets or any specific character. So let's start. Press equals and type count. Once the count function is gets highlighted with blue, then you can press tab. It will automatically pick the rest of the things. Then you can select the entire range which you want to count. I want to count the cells. How many cells are there? And then you can close the bracket and hit enter. It will tell you 14. So there are 14 cells. This is the count function. Count a function counts the number of cells in a range that are non-empty. It counts alphabets, number, and spaces. So now let's see. Type equals count, and then we can select from drop down count a and hit tab. Then we can select this product name. I want to count how many product names are there. So now bracket close, parenthesis close, then hit enter. You can see 13. We have an empty cell here, it will not count. Let's insert some space here to check that does it count space or not. Hit enter. You can see the count has increased to 14. So this is count a function. It counts the non-empty cell. The cells should have something. Count if function counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given criteria or condition. Only one condition can be applied on through this function. So for example, if I want to know how many times Stephen Owens is in this range, so now let's check. Equals, type count if, and the range. Let's select the range in which I want to know, and then you can press F4 to lock this range, then press comma and your criteria, and then we can hit enter. Stephen Owens is only one time. If I select this function till down, then it will count each person, how many times each person is in this range. For example, how many times Amit Kumar is in this range. So you can see Amit Kumar is only once. Now let's change some stats. Let's put this person twice. You can see here in front of Amit Kumar, we can see it's 2. So he is twice in this range, and here also it will show that he is twice in this range. And if you can see, if we change, then Sunil Thakur, he is also thrice in this range. So this is what count if function does. It counts the particular given criteria, that how many times it is in the given range. Count ifs function. So count if function counts the number of cells within a range that has given multiple criterias. So let's find let's find the first, how many chocolates were sold in north region. So we have two criterias, one is product name and the other is region. So let's type the function. uh, let's try again. Count ifs, press tab. The syntax says us to select the range 1 in which our criteria falls. Criteria range 1. So our product name will be our criteria range 1, and let's lock this by F4, comma, and then criteria 1. So criteria 1 is our chocolate. So select any chocolate in this list and lock that again with F4. Then we can press comma. Then the syntax guides us for the criteria range 2, and the second criteria is our region. So the range criteria range will be our region entire, and then again locks with F4, comma, and then our second criteria is north. So let's select that and lock this as well. Then you can close the parenthesis and hit enter. So chocolate in the north region is only one. Let's change this and let's see that is our function working properly. Let's press Ctrl D to paste at north. As you can see, it has become now 2. So this is what COUNTIF function does. You can apply multiple conditions and criterias. Now let's move to this, which is chocolate sold in north region by Stephen Owens. So now let's try this count if function, count ifs function, and then the first criteria is our product name, F4, then chocolate is our criteria, comma, then we can again lock this. Okay, I'm sorry, we need to lock then comma. Then our second criteria is criteria region is region, then press lock, then comma, and then we can select north, F4, and then our third criteria is employee name. Select this, F4, then again comma, and the criteria is Stephen Owens. Select this, lock this cell as well, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. Stephen Owens has sold only one chocolate in North region. This is how we can find our counts with given multiple conditions and criterias. So that's all. Have a good day.